Hey guys! Okay, welcome back to my channel. So today, I already filmed a video with the Becky G Salvaje. Okay, so I did film a review with this eyeshadow palette, but it is in Spanish. So I thought it would be nice to do a Valentine's Day date night makeup tutorial with the palette. And it's a rainy day, so if you hear the raindrops, that's what they are. They're the raindrops. So to start, I am using the NYX HD Primer Base. It has this like slight blue tint to it. This is the Maybelline Matte and Poreless. And I don't know, to me, like, color-wise, this one has always been my best match color-wise, and because it's a matte foundation, I just truly enjoy it. Taking the L'Oreal, this is the Dark Circle Eraser. It's got the pink base. And I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me, and this one is in medium concealer. I do like this. I've liked this for a while. I'm definitely going to repurchase, but I feel like this color is just a bit too dark for me. Like, it's very, like, I don't know if you guys can tell. You see that? It's like very orange, and that's not my vibe. It's so freaking like orange, and I just need to go down a shade, but like then that shade's number available. But when I blend it out, I feel like it looks fine. Like, it still looks bright, but I think that what really brightens it ends up being that pink that I have underneath. I really like this e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder, and I like it because it just smooths out the under eyes beautifully, but it's like a white powder, so you know that makes me a little hesitant, you know, everything out beautifully, but it is a white powder, so I don't know. We'll try some flash photography, but I don't think I recommend it for flash photography. And it just smooths it out. Like, can you guys see the difference? Not set, set, not set. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face, which is like my usual. And I've been using this one for a while. This one's the neutral buff. This is the e.l.f. The Wet n Wild Pressed Powder Compact Photofocus. And I've been using this for a minute, and I do like it. So right now I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Retractable Brow Pencil. I don't know, I got this from Wet n Wild, and it's like so beat up, but it's got this little nice little like flat brush, and I just love this for my brows, like to clean them up. And I'm using the Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer, and I don't know if these have a shade or not. This is Light Medium Beige, and I like this because I really like the tone of it. Eyeshadow primer, and this is the one I'm using. It's a new one that I got from Wet n Wild. It's the Photofocus Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer. It's like extremely creamy. Like, it's very creamy, so it's definitely the kind of primer that you want to set. Like, if you don't set this primer, then it makes your eyeshadows very hard to blend. I'm just gonna set it with that same e.l.f. powder I used under my eyes because this brush fits like perfectly under the eye. It fits perfectly on top of the eye. So like I mentioned, I'm going to be using the Colourpop Becky Salvaje. What do you call this? eyeshadow palette. Okay. I'm gonna go in with Lola. It looks like the rain has subsided for a little bit, so yay for that. Like, this brow is so beat up. Look at that. It's like got all these situations up here, and then this one's like, hi, I'm the better looking sister. And this one's like, bitch, I've been through life. I've been through it. You don't know about me. And this one's like, hi. We're gonna go with Malbec, this little guy here. And we're just gonna add him up into our crease. You know. This guy's on pants. He's a rough rider. And I'm just kind of bringing this up because I do have some space, you know, and I do want this to be really blended and blown out, like a nice little dense brush. And I'm gonna go in with Cafecito, which is like the brown Cafecito, that one. And I'm gonna put this right in the outer corner. And I'm going back in with that same color, the same one I had in Malbec. First, I'm gonna add some of this fella. It's an e.l.f. smudge pot called Wine Not, and it's this pretty like purple color. I'm just gonna be taking a flat brush, and I'm beginning this color, which is like a cream shadow. This is hard. Oh, this is very jelly. This is very jelly. Like, it's a strong cream. That's what it is. And so it's a little bit harder to blend. And I'm still gonna go in with Patrona, which is this like pink, this pop. I'm like, look at how pretty that is. Whoa. Oh shit. Okay, and I'm just gonna go in with Cafecito in the corners just to make sure we don't lose that darkness. I do want that to be dark. And then I'm gonna go in with Malbec, which is that little red orangey color that we've been using. Cafecito, and you know, put it on this outside corner here, but just on the outside. And then we're gonna take Malbec, which is a little reddish one, and put that on the inner. I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild skinny tip eyeliner. I don't really like this because it's difficult to manage due to the tip. Like, it's like, it just, you can only do like these small controlled strokes, and so it's not like a smooth continuous thing. gonna do some mascara, curl our lashes. Since Volume Stylist 18 Hour, it's my favorite. Contour, I'm going to be using the Hoola Benefit Contour. And a new brush that I've been enjoying is this little fluffy guy here. He's the Morphe E34. He's pretty fluffy, but also I feel like you're like bronzing a good and like blending a good amount. Get some bronzer on the forehead. I wanted to go back to some oldies, so this is the NYX Mocha. No, why do I say Mocha? Mocha's the other one. This is in Amber. And then on top of that, I'm going to go ahead and take the Too Faced Papadelle Peach to give my skin a little bit more of a sheen, as you guys can see. And then for highlight, once again, I'm going back to an oldie. This is the Wet N Wild. I'll have a Cosmo. It's a pink highlight. Very beautiful color, and I love this. I'm going for like a date, nice and sweet makeup. I feel like I like to specifically use my pink highlights on those occasions. Gonna blend this out a little bit more. I feel like, you know, I'm not adding any pigment, I'm just blending. The only thing else I'm going to add to this eyeshadow look is I'm going to take Luna, this guy right here, and that's just to highlight our brow bone. But I am going to add some false lashes, so I'm going to take these My Lash from TJ Maxx. They're in the flirty style. So we got our lashes. We got our lashes. We got our lashes. Some lips. I did go ahead and add some liner to my waterline, and I used the Wet n Wild. I don't know if you guys remember this, the Fergie collection. Today we're going to be using a Kylie lip kit, and this is in the color Kristen. I'm actually going to add some nude, one of my favorites. This is Stila Patina. And I'm going to add this right to the center to like give us... But I think that looks really pretty. And I'm going to set it with the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. I think this is like a great little romantic like night out, or even just like if you want to hang with your girls. Like, these are some beautiful lashes. They're more on the natural side, and I got they're a pack of 3 from TJ Maxx for $5.99, and I do see them frequently. The box looks like this. It's the My Lash 3 for $5.99, and I do think that they are very pretty. They're like flirty, but they almost look natural. Like, these could be some natural lashes. They may not even, so they're not too dramatic or anything crazy like that. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.